How to buy shares of UET United Electronic Technology AG. This video walks through buying the stock listed on Zitra under the ticker CFC.DE. UET develops electronic components and industrial control solutions. This is an educational guide and not investment advice. You'll need a broker to place the trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CFC.DE to find UET United Electronic Technology AG. Double-check the listing is on Zitra and select the matching result. On the asset page, review the company overview, sector, and short description along with the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm it clearly shows UET, United Electronic Technology AG, and the CFC.DE ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, you'll see the position in your portfolio showing quantity and costs. For reference, the example link to eToro is in the description below.